Almost 1 o'clock, 23 degrees, beautiful weather, still big waves, so some beaches are closed. Martianes is still open for surfers. Let's see the situation. Lago. Cannot be better. The pool is full today. Yesterday was half full. And still big waves. So I can see San Telmo beach is closed still. Hello everyone, thank you for watching my video. We spread beauty and positive energy, vibrations from this beautiful place from Puerto Cruz, from Tenerife. If you decide to support us, thank you very much. There are links in every description of the video for club and PayPal. Thank you very much. As a club members, you can see uncutted videos in full quality with the drone flying as the birds, you know, you can feel like the birds. Thank you, all the best, and viva la música!